Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame, think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this one approximately about 24 hours ago, so that's where these green lines are coming from. And the move continues. Bitcoin went through this, bit of a consolidation area and sideways for, several days. But now from the breakout yesterday, it did a little bit of consolidating, right here. But then over the past 24 hours, things have just come back to life once again. So yeah, certainly a lot of updates here need to be made. First thing I'm gonna do is just adjust some of these lines up. Yeah, this level down here still does pertain to the chart. It's just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't wanna risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines all over the place. So let's try to just keep this as clean as possible. One of the newest areas of support and what I would call the ideal area is gonna be the 8,000 mark. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? If the price can stay above 8,000, that would certainly be a huge sign of power. Now, don't get me wrong. And remember, crypto markets are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, let's just say 15 hours from now, and all of a sudden the price is down below 8,000, by no means am I saying the chart's ruined or anything like that. I'm just saying in a preferable situation, in an ideal scenario, yeah, staying above 8,000 would look, would make the chart look the best. But again, by no means is it a must-hold level. But to go with that time frame, let's say it is 15 hours from now and the price is down below 8,000. As far as I'm concerned, from the big picture of things, as long as the price is still up above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control, full health, any way you slice it. So again, doesn't need to stay above 8,000. Heck, doesn't even need to stay above this green line right there at 7,600. As far as I'm concerned, grand scheme of things perspective, it's all about staying up above that purple line there. So like I said, if you're watching this 15, 20 hours from now, if the price is above that purple line, then like I said, that just means the bulls are still in full control of the chart. As I talked about yesterday, I think I'm going to keep up with this. I'm not even going to talk about levels of resistance right now because as the chart stands right now, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing, aka keeps building higher bases and higher bases, then everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So I'm not even going to, like I said, map out those levels of resistance. All I'll say is just keep on building those higher bases, stay up above that purple line, and then just sit back and enjoy the trend. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.